Welcome to this guide on memecoins, a unique category of community-driven cryptocurrencies. Memecoins represent an interesting intersection of internet culture, humor, and digital finance. In this video, we'll explore three of the most popular memecoins: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and PEPE. These cryptocurrencies have captured massive attention and built passionate communities, despite starting as jokes or internet memes. Memecoins are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes, jokes, and viral cultural phenomena. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, memecoins are primarily driven by community enthusiasm and social media buzz rather than technological innovation. They often lack traditional utility or groundbreaking features. Their value depends heavily on hype, market sentiment, and the strength of their community. Memecoins demonstrate how powerful social movements and collective belief can create real market value in the digital age. Dogecoin was created in December 2013 by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It started as a lighthearted joke based on the popular Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog with colorful Comic Sans text. The creators originally intended it as a satire of cryptocurrency speculation. Technically, Dogecoin is a fork of Litecoin and uses the script algorithm for mining. What began as a parody has evolved into one of the most recognized cryptocurrencies in the world, with a dedicated community and real-world adoption. Dogecoin has several distinctive features that set it apart. First, it has an unlimited supply with no maximum cap, and 10,000 new Doge tokens are mined per block, making it inflationary. Second, it offers fast transactions with a 1-minute block time, enabling quick confirmations and low transaction fees. Third, Dogecoin is known for its strong, friendly community that has organized numerous charitable initiatives and popularized tipping culture on social media. Fourth, the coin gained massive mainstream attention through celebrity endorsements and social media support, significantly boosting its visibility and adoption. Shiba Inu was created in August 2020 by an anonymous founder known as Ryoshi. It positioned itself as the Dogecoin killer, aiming to compete directly with Dogecoin. Unlike Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network, giving it access to Ethereum's smart contract capabilities. The project describes itself as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. Despite its anonymous origins and playful branding, Shiba Inu has developed into a serious cryptocurrency project with a growing ecosystem. Shiba Inu has expanded far beyond a simple memecoin into a comprehensive ecosystem. ShibaSwap is the project's decentralized exchange where users can trade SHIB and other ecosystem tokens. The ecosystem includes multiple tokens: SHIB as the main currency, Leash with limited supply for scarcity, and Bone as the governance token. There's also a Shiboshi's NFT collection that enhances community engagement and offers digital collectibles. Most notably, Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain solution designed to provide faster and cheaper transactions, addressing scalability concerns and expanding the ecosystem's utility. PEPE is one of the newest major memecoins, launched in April 2023 by anonymous developers. It's based on the iconic Pepe the Frog internet meme character that has been a staple of internet culture for years. PEPE is an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum network. Unlike projects that promise future utility, PEPE embraces its nature as a pure memecoin with no intrinsic value or promised utility. This honest, meme-focused approach resonated with cryptocurrency enthusiasts and helped it gain rapid adoption. PEPE has several defining characteristics. It uses a deflationary model with a token burning mechanism that gradually reduces the total supply over time, potentially increasing scarcity. The project implements a zero tax policy, meaning there are no transaction fees or taxes when buying or selling PEPE tokens. The coin experienced viral growth through rapid adoption driven by social media platforms and meme culture. However, PEPE is characterized by high volatility, with extreme price swings driven purely by speculation and trending topics, making it one of the more unpredictable cryptocurrencies. All three memecoins share a fundamentally community-driven nature. Their value is heavily influenced by discussions on social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok, where viral posts can dramatically impact prices. Growth is driven by grassroots marketing, with community members voluntarily creating memes, videos, and promotional content. Beyond just investments, these coins represent cultural movements that embody shared humor, collective identity, and communal investment experiences. The community aspect is what differentiates memecoins from traditional cryptocurrencies and explains their unique appeal and resilience. Investing in memecoins comes with significant risks that must be understood. First, extreme volatility means prices can crash rapidly when hype fades or market trends shift. Second, their speculative nature means there's no fundamental value or real-world utility backing these tokens. Third, memecoins are vulnerable to manipulation risks, including pump-and-dump schemes and influence by large holders known as whales. Finally, many memecoins have short life cycles, fading quickly as community attention moves to the next trending project. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.